filmmaking today. And so we're going to create our very first production strip from our breakdown sheet. This is going to be detailed work. It's going to be very close. You're going to be right over my shoulder. We're going to be very close on the strip as I create it by hand, okay? So let's get started. The first thing you should do, though, is when you look at your breakdown sheet, is you look at the interior, exterior, day or night. This one says exterior night. Why is that important? That tells you what color strip to get. Because it's exterior night, I know I'm going to get a blue strip. That's what I'm going to use that signifies to anybody when they look at the board at a glance, oh, there's an exterior night scene, okay? So get a blue strip out. Here we go. Look over my shoulder. This breakdown sheet says scene 1, script page 1, page count 2/8, sheet 1, meaning the breakdown page, this sheet here, exterior night. So let's start there. Here's my header board right next to me. So the first thing I look at is page count, which goes right here. Okay? So in this space, I'll probably write it right here, just a little bit below. I'll know what that means. It's 2/8. Scene is scene 1. Then we're going to look at characters. Well, we know there are no cast members here, some main cast members, so we're not going to have to mark anything down there. But looking back at the breakdown sheet, there are background actors, otherwise known as extras, and there are vehicles, cabs. Okay? So those are the key parts here. You can see extras here. I'm going to write in extras, line it up again with an E, like that. Circle it to make it pop, and V for vehicles. That kind of takes care of everything top to bottom. Then we flip it around. First thing I transfer is at the top, exterior night, Teeny Big's bar in Seattle. And that goes right here. So I go E, X, T, Teeny Big's bar night. And then we go to the bottom of it and we put it in the description. And here, of course, we're going to put it's Seattle cabs splash by. And you have to sort of write it so that it's clear even with those lines cutting through. But by and large, that strip's done. We're ready to move on to the next one.